Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts permanently. So to start, open YouTube app. Next, go to your profile at the bottom right. Next, go to your settings at the top right. Next, scroll down under account and go to time management. Next, scroll down and then tap on Shorts feed limit.
Welcome back to Jew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
So go to daily limits and tap on Shorts feed limit. So toggle it on, and from here, you can set it to 0 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or 2 hours. So set the Shorts limit to 0. So click 0 minutes. So click on that, and you will be prompted with a system generated message every time you try to watch a Shorts video. If you reach your limit, you will receive a notification stating you have reached your limit. So, this feature is part of YouTube's efforts to address concerns over excessive screen time and addictive scrolling behaviors associated with short form video content. The 0 minute option allows users to completely eliminate the shorts feed, creating a clean separation between long form video content and short form content. And that's basically it. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.